In the last 6 months, I've been able to make thousands of dollars from only uploading viral and monetizable faceless videos on YouTube. It may sound too good to be true, but I assure you, it's possible. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same. For instance, take a look at this Stoic channel. They started 10 months ago and are already getting millions of views. Their channel managed to get more than 50,000 subscribers with only 20 videos. Now you might think that this is another garbage AI tutorial, and I understand why you might feel like that. YouTube is oversaturated with outdated AI tutorials, but this video is different. I will give you a step-by-step process on how to actually create good, viral, monetizable, faceless videos. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of this topic, and you will be able to start your own channel and make a ton of cash quickly. So make sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to share some secret sauce no other YouTuber talked about. Now let's begin with writing the script. As you can see, while everyone tells you to use ChatGPT for this task, I find its scripts boring and hard to listen to. That's why I'm going to use a DupDub. It's an all-in-one app that has multiple features that can truly change the content creation game for you. Now, after creating your account, head over to the homepage and click on AI Voiceover right here. Then simply click on the Ask AI to Write button. Unlike ChatGPT, this tool can generate scripts that are 10 times better, made specifically to engage the viewer. Now simply type in, write a script called 10 Rules of Stoicism, and within seconds, you will have a great script that sounds human-written. You can then edit the script and make it even better. You can make it longer or shorter, and you can even change the tone of the script. Now this is one way to generate great scripts, but let me share a trick to make even better ones using a combo of ChatGPT and DupDub. First, head over to any channel that went viral on this niche, like this channel for example. Then pick one of their most popular videos and copy its link. Head back to DupDub. On the homepage, hit on transcription and paste the link of the video. And within seconds, you will have the script of the video right here. Now copy that script and go to ChatGPT and write the following prompt. I will give you a script of one of my old videos. Your task is to paraphrase the script, just changing the word order slightly and keep the same writing and articulating style. Now paste the script. And the reason I said the script is mine because ChatGPT is more effective when working with content it believes is yours. This is a great and easy way to make scripts that have already worked, helping you improve your content effortlessly. So after all that, I will copy the script from ChatGPT, and we are ready to jump to the next step. All right, now is time for the voiceover. Get back to DupDub's homepage and head over to the audio section. Then simply paste the script that you copied. Most of the AI voices of this app sounds ultra realistic, and that makes our job easy to find a voice that fits our video. After choosing the voice that you like, hit export and choose the MP3 audio format.
We're presenting 7 timeless Stoic lessons on perseverance that'll inspire you to keep pushing forward, no matter how tough things get. Before we dive in, please consider liking the video to support the spread of Stoic philosophy.
And now before jumping to the visuals part, I want to share with you a section that I found really incredible in DupDub, and not a lot of apps have this feature. On the homepage, you can click here on voice cloning, and you can literally clone your own voice by simply uploading a voice of yours here. It's an effective way to use your own voice without having to record every time, and it sounds just like you. Another amazing tool that the app offers is talking avatars. With this feature, you can similar to some popular videos and you don't need to use any camera at all. Now that you know the juicy features that DupDub have, let's jump to the visuals part, aka the fun part. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide some visuals for the video, and use this prompt telling it to provide you 10 text prompts for Leonardo AI using black and white colors and featuring famous Stoic writers in the form of sculpture positioned in the middle of the picture. After that, head over to Leonardo AI. To use it, simply create a free account and you will get 150 coins every single day, and that's a good deal for a free plan. So now go to image generation right here and choose the photoreal model. Next, paste the first prompt and type at the end hyper-realistic to make the images look super realistic. Then hit generate. As you can see, the image looks clean. So choose one and download it. After that, we're going to do this little trick here. Click on Image Guidance. Then upload the picture we just downloaded. Next, lower the strength to about 0.12. Next, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt for the next picture. With this method, Leonardo can keep the same quality and style of the image. It is the ultimate hack when you're generating a story. And now, upscale the images. Simply click on the image, then hit Alchemy Crisp Upscale. Now repeat this again and again, and do the same process for every prompt. And don't forget to add the hyper-realistic to each prompt and upscale it. After getting all the images ready, we are going to animate these pictures to add life to them. And Leonardo's built-in animation feature is the best for that. So go to Personal Feed right here. Click on an image and hit the Image to Motion button. Next, set the motion between 3 and 5, then hit Generate. And within a few seconds, we will have an animated moving image. A few years ago, this could be made using a professional software. Now, literally anyone can do these cool tricks and for free. So again, you're going to repeat the same process and download all the images, and with that, our footage is ready to go. So far, we made big progress. We created the script and voiceover, and generated the images and brought them to life. Now before we go into the editing part, we will pick non-copyrighted music. And for that, we will use a website called Pixabay. It has a lot of good music without any copyright. Try searching for some keywords like Ancient Mysterious, and you will get a bunch of suggestions. I found this one which sounds really good, so I'm going to use it. And now the time comes to put everything together and create our video. You can choose any editing software that you like and it will do the job. For me, I'm going to use CapCut because it's free and has a lot of amazing features. So first of all, when you create a new project in CapCut, make sure to hit Modify on the right side and choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio. Now import all the material that we made and the music. The first part of editing is cutting the voiceover. And believe me, a video will not go viral if the voiceover is boring and not edited. So to prevent that, we will remove all the pauses using the cutting tool. After that, drag all the animated pictures and put them in the timeline. Then add transitions in the transition section and add them between the clips. Next, let's add some effects to make the video clean. Go to the effects section, then choose retro on the left side. Now scroll down until you see the noise 2 effect. Drag it to the timeline and make sure the speed is 30 on the right side. Now let's make some color adjustment to the video. First, go to the adjustment section. Then hit the plus right here. Then stretch it across all the material so that we can do all the color grading at once. Now on the right side, scroll all the way down and find Vignette and make it 30. Now go up and set the brightness to -2 and increase the saturation a little bit. Next, go to the filters and type Black Forest, then drag it to the timeline. And make sure the strength is set to 50. Okay, it looks perfect so far. Now we are ready to loop it. So select everything except the music and the voice and create a compound clip. Then start copying and pasting the clip until it fits all the voices. After that, you can add black fade transition to make things smoother and juicier. After all that, select the voice and make the volume 2.5. And the same goes to music. Select it and make the volume -17. Now let's add captions. Go to the text section and select Auto Captions and click Create. After a few moments, the captions will be generated. After that, choose a template for the text on the right side. I will go with this one. And play around with the text setting until you're happy with it. After all that, we finally can export the video. Name the project and make sure the resolution is 1080p and 60 FPS. And after a few minutes, your video will be ready. Now, how do you make money with it? First, the most common way to monetize YouTube videos is through ad revenue. Another profitable method is promoting your merchandise. You can create digital or physical print-on-demand products related to the philosophy niche. For instance, you can design AI-generated images and print them on t-shirts, mugs, or other merchandise. Promote these items in your video descriptions and comment sections to boost sales. What's great about this approach is that you use AI to handle all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating content. There are many more ways to monetize your channel, but we'll cover those in future videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and ensure you don't miss out on the next videos.